Alright, I'm gonna try and give myself a 10,000 peso budget limit. Hello, good afternoon and welcome to today's video. As you can see, Pick Up Coffee behind me is pretty busy today, but I've managed to get my iced Americano. I'm actually waiting for my Grab taxi because in today's video, we're gonna be going to Pasay City to visit the world's biggest Ikea to go on part 2 of a decor hunt to decorate my apartment in One Uptown. Thank you, sir. How are you? You alright? Okay, we made it to Ikea, folks. The world's biggest Ikea. Doesn't really look that big from where I'm standing, but I'm sure it's massive. And there's an entrance right here, so we're gonna go enter now. So apparently I have to go to the 3rd floor to get myself a trolley and to shop around. Don't know how this Ikea works, but we're gonna soon find out. Hello, ma'am. Where can I get a trolley? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Whoa. These lifts are ginormous. How big they are.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
YouTuber.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Vietnamese.
Oh, okay.
Where are you? How about you?
England.
England.
Yeah. I was thinking like, you don't sound...
What's the channel?
Oh, Mergim vlogs.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Subscribe. Subscribe. What? So it looks like the Ikea building and the Mall of Asia are interconnected via the 2nd floor. To access Ikea, I need to go through the entrance over there and then go up another floor. So it starts from the 3rd. You do need a vaccine card to be able to enter Ikea. I had to present it at security. I came from the lifts over there. Don't stop on the 2nd floor, just go up to the 3rd. We just came up the escalators and right away on the landing is a lounge area. One of the nicest lounges I've seen from Ikea. 4th floor, it starts from the 4th. So what's the 3rd floor? Yep. Check out. Okay, so you go to the top, 4th, and then you make your way and then go down. Is this where Ikea starts? Okay, that was a bit confusing. Okay, so I finally managed to locate the start of the Ikea. It's gonna take about 30 minutes to 1 hour to go around the entire showroom. I think depending on the items in which I see, I can pick some of them up. Some of the larger items, I'll probably have to just take a picture of the tag and then show on the 3rd floor and then receive. Before I came to Ikea, I was actually having a look on their website for items to buy. But honestly, their website is very limited in terms of what they actually have in store. I did not see, for example, these lights right here. This is really nice. And it's 4,490 pesos. I did see these owl things online though. It's a set of 3 and they're very chunky. They're only 590 pesos. Okay, I'm gonna be giving myself a 10,000 peso budget to decorate my room. I think 10,000 pesos is not too small and not too big. I think it's adequate. I think I should be under if I watch where I spend. But as we saw those lights earlier, they look so beautiful, but that would already reach half of my budget. Okay, take a look at this lamp. I'm really digging this lamp, right? So it's attached via a clamp, but what I really love about it is how you can just move it around and it will stay in position. It's a beautiful reading lamp, and it can swivel, go up and down. I'm thinking putting that on my window and then having it extend over to my couch. Is that not a good idea? Guess the price. Are you ready? It's 690. And what's really cool is once you're done with the lamp, you can literally stow it back in position. Boom. Hello, ma'am, can you help me?
Yes.
I'm looking for these sort of vines, right? But is this like a combination of different plants that have been added to this plant pot?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this particular plant, but I can't find.
That one, you will see that in the 3rd level.
3rd level?
Outdoors. Yes.
Okay. Ugh, this is beautiful. Vegka, 3,990 pesos. Could a accent of dark green go well in my apartment? Okay, so the cushion cover is 590 and the inner cushion is 490, so 1,000 pesos for one pillow. I bought the chevron pillows in yesterday's video for 645. These gold floor lamps really add class to an area. I'm really spending time to look at every detail and item that they have in each of these showrooms. And it takes me between 5 to 10 minutes to look at each one. Just came across this laptop stand for 1,290 pesos. Not only is it in black and looks beautiful, but it's also functional because I can put my laptop in there and do some work while on the couch. Not sure if I can though, because maybe it's not tall enough to go over the armrest on my sofa. But does it have legs? Yeah, it does. These legs look like they're adjustable. Ow, it only goes up to like there. There's another wonderful black side table here. It's going for 3,990 pesos. What I really like about it is the height with the little gold legs at the bottom there, and the high gloss / mirror finish of each of the surfaces. I think it's going to be very tricky to stick to the 10,000 peso budget that I set out in this video. This metal plate picture of New York and Brooklyn looks amazing. I love the silver and black, but why is it Brooklyn? Why can't it be one of Manila or Metro Manila? That'd be awesome. If there was, I'd buy it. From all the furniture shopping and decor shopping here in Ikea. But as I'm only looking to spice up my living area, I don't think I need to spend much time going around the bathroom area and the kitchen area. So I should be able to fly through those areas very quickly. These funky alien spherical lights have been going on for years. Look at that, they open up like that. I remember seeing this a decade ago and I can't believe they still offer it to this day. If I was into photography and I needed like a white backdrop, this would come in handy. But I don't know how you would roll it up. There's this thing here, this sort of lever arm. Okay, I figured it out. So if you want to put this blind back up, right? You basically got to push this lever arm inwards as such. Oh, it's a bit flimsy though. You see what I mean? And it's not so easy to do. But it works. That was tough. I'm sure it must be a lot easier to actually pull it down. Create your dream living room for under 29,000 pesos. What? 29,000 pesos? I think I could come up with a better plan and buy some more significant, better looking and functional items than what's on here. I would ideally like to put something like this on my wall, one of these sort of paintings, but I don't know if it's black and white or if it's brown and white because of the maroon color. It's 179 centimeters by 112 centimeters at 3,490 pesos. So we are at section 3, living room storage. There's workspace, dining, kitchen, secondary storage, bathroom furniture, bedroom, wardrobe storage, children's Ikea, and the Swedish restaurant. We've got a lot to go through. So let's take a look at what there is to eat here. So we get a trolley here, pick up the plates from, wow, it's a long queue though. Unfortunately, I don't have the patience nor the time to wait in this long queue, so I'm just going to quickly show you what there is available to eat at this particular Ikea here in Pasay City. And if you ever want to grab a bite, you can. But yeah, how long have you been waiting in queue, man?
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, okay. 10 minutes there, another 10 minutes there, another 10 minutes. Oh, you've got 30 minutes to go. So you got your international foods here, like meatballs, sausages. You got your more hearty meals on this side. I was actually saying, oh crap, I didn't realize the restaurant is actually mirrored. There's two queues, one on the right, one on the left, and they offer both the same food. And then you come to the central portion here where all the desserts are. This looks like the staircase to an Apple store. Okay, so this is the section where I need to grab myself a trolley and grab all the items which I saw upstairs. I've arrived at checkout, folks. I've done a few adjustments. I bought a few things I wasn't anticipating to buy, and I've got rid of a few things that I was anticipating to buy. The time is pretty late now. It's approaching about 9:30 p.m. I've been here for maybe 4 to 5 hours just picking out things and like looking at the showrooms. But I'm gonna pay for these items now and then get a taxi back home, and then I'll show you what I've purchased. Well folks, it looks like I stayed within my budget of 10,000 pesos. I ended up spending about 6,500. I could have easily gone over that had I like bought some really big artificial plants. But I didn't really want to overdo it with like greenery. I just want it to be a little bit subtle. Thank you. Oh, thank you sir. Thank you so much. Ah. Thank you sir, thank you. Yes, that's me. So one uptown, right? Let's go. Thank you for picking me up.